Hey kiddos, so today we're going to be doing the red pages. Should be red on the side right here, and we are doing pages 441, 442, but it's the same page, and then 443, okay? So it's only 2 pages, that's it, that's all I got. So go ahead and pull those out for me. I'll give you guys a second so you can grab it. Okay, you have it? Okay, cool. So we're going to do number 1 together, okay? Because we just learned this yesterday, so we need a little bit of a review. So it says count by tens. I'm going to circle that. Counting by tens. One number is shown. Write the number 3 different ways. Okay, it wants to know how many groups of tens we have. That's each one. Okay, so we're going to count by ones because it wants to know how many we have. How many tens? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 groups, right? Okay, now it wants the number, which means that we have to count by tens to find out how many red dots are all together, okay? So I'm going to write 10 at the top because we start at 10, because I know this is a 10 frame, so there's 10 inside. So I'm going to count by tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So there's 70. All right, it wants the word name. So let's spell 70. E-N-T. 70. That's how you spell 70. Okay, kiddos. So at the bottom, move it up a little bit. You're going to do number 2 and number 3 by yourselves. Okay? I'll read it to you. And then you guys can pause the video or you can rewind it and listen to what I say, okay? So number 2. Kathy counts pennies by ones. That's important. I'm going to circle that. By ones. She counts to 98. Which number will Kathy say next? Which number comes after 98? Pause the video if you can. Okay? All right. Let's do number 3. Sam counts by tens. Oh, circle that. That's important. He's counting by tens. Which number did he forget to count? Okay, so let's double check it. 80, 90, 100, 120. Okay. Does that seem right to you guys? Is that how you count by tens? Okay, pause the video and figure this one out, okay? Okay, so now that you guys are unpaused, let's figure out what number 2 is. 98. I know she's counting by ones, so I'm going to look at 98 and I'm going to look up here. She's counting by ones. What comes after 98? 99. I'm going to circle it. Okay, let's do number 3. Sammy counts by tens. Which number did he forget to count? So there's 80, 90, 100, 120. I'm going to look up here at my chart. Do they have the number 80 up there? Nope, so I'm not going to start there. Do they have the number 90 up there? Nope, but they got 91. So maybe I'll put 90 right there. Okay, so now that I got 90 on my board, I'm going to double check. 90, 100, 110. Is that there? Nope. So then we're missing 110. I'm gonna circle it. All right. Okay, we're gonna flip the page now. Okay, you guys flip the page, you're on number 4. Okay, so it says start at 58. All right, 58. Count by tens to 98. All right, 98 right there. Okay, I want you to pause the video and I want you to try this one by yourself. We're counting by tens. Circle that. That's important. So pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay. Let's try number 5. Start at 114. 114. Count on by ones. That's important. Let's circle it. To 118. I'm going to write 118 right here. Okay, pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, so let's double check your answers for number 4 and number 5. Number 4, we're counting by tens. So I know that I'm not going to go to 59 because that's counting by ones. I'm going to count by tens. So it should go 58, 68, 78, 88, 98. Did you guys get it right? If you did, kiss your brains. All right, let's start at 114. We're counting by ones. 114. What comes after 14? Yep, you're right. 15. It's 115. What comes after 15? Yep, 116. What comes after 16? Yep, 117. Good job. Kiss your brains if you got that one right too, guys. All right. Number 6. I want you guys to try this one by yourselves, okay? Alex sees some baby chicks at the farm. 50 chicks are in the hen house, right? It says 50 on the barn door. We should see that. How many baby chicks are in all? So it wants 50 plus all of the ones outside. Use the picture to solve. Okay. Remember, we're grouping by tens. So I want you guys to start circling 10 chicks at a time. And remember how you do that is you circle them and you cross them off when you're counting. So this is how I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one group of 10. Okay, let's do another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, circle your next group. Okay, let's see if there's 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is there 10? Nope, I counted 8. Okay, so you can pause the video right here and I want you to try to figure out what answer it is. Remember, we have 50, you're counting by tens, and then you're counting by ones. Okay, pause the video and try. Okay, so you guys should have gotten 78 chicks. And I'll tell you why. We're starting at 50 and we're counting by tens. So 50, 60, 70. We have 70 chicks, right? But I have this extra 8 right here that I have to count too. So 70 plus 8 equals 78, right? Okay, you got it right, kiss your brains. Okay, let's try number 7. The farm worker says that there are 82 chicks this morning. How many chicks are hiding? Use the picture to solve, then explain how you know. Okay, we counted 78 chicks, but he says there's 82 chicks. So this turns into a subtraction problem. 82 minus 78. Whoa, that's a big number. So I'm going to use my fingers to count backwards. Okay, so I'm going to start at 82. 82, 81, 80, 79, 78. How many fingers did I take away? Right, I took away 4. And then explain how you know. I know because 78 chicks, oh, let me scoot over, 78 chicks were counted. All right, I'll give you a second. You guys can copy that. Okay, if you need any more time, you can pause the video, okay? But I'm going to move on. All right. It says Mal's marbles. Mal collects marbles and keeps them in jars. Pretty nice colors, huh? How many blue marbles does Mal have? Circle groups of 10. All right, groups of 10. I'm going to circle that so I remember. Then count by 10. Oh, look it, we know how to do this. Okay, so let's start by circling groups of 10. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot to cross them out so that I remembered. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. Now looking at this, they all look like they have the exact same number in each row, right? They're all even. So then I'm going to understand that there's 10 in each row because each row looks exactly the same as the first one. So now we need to see how many groups of 10 marbles we have. And by doing that, we got to count the groups one by one, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups of marbles do I have? Yep, you're right. There's 5. Okay. Let's count by tens now. They want to know how many marbles in tens. Okay. So let's start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many marbles did I have? Yep, we have 50 marbles. Okay, now it wants us to write the word 50. 50. Okay, kiddos, I'm going to have to log in another video, okay? So click on the next link so you can see the rest of it, okay? Bye.